Hello, Azizan Malaya here. Sorry for not making a video for a while. As a practitioner myself, I'm very busy, a lot of submission, and I need to manage my own firm lah. So sorry about that. And before that, this is me, not an AI. It's an actual me. Before we start, I want to update a few things, which is our custom customer portal. As a two major update. The first one is a invoice. You can straight away check the invoice in the system in the real time. You can check your status of work in the system in the real time. So no need to contact us. Okay, so the main topic here, I want to highlight, emphasize that open the company doesn't automatically you get the visa. Many people make this mistake. They thought open company can get the visa, which is not correct. In the early stage, if you want to get a visa, it's through investments such as program PVIP and such as program MM2H Platinum, which we are the license holder to apply this. And also for the individual, you can also get under MIDA investment visa for 1 year. For the visa, I think I will make a separate video. For the Sdn Bhd Road, or we call private limited share, if you want to get the visa, cannot just register company and wait. You must do a few things first, such as number one, you need to open your bank account first. Number two, you need to inject the money inside the bank account and match the paid-up capital requirement to match the business license and immigration requirement to apply the visa. Number third is a business license. At first, you need to apply business license related to your business. For example, if you're doing construction, you need to have a CIDB license. If you digital business, you need to get the digital status first. And number four, you need to have your physical office and have a local authority license. For example, if you operating in the Kuala Lumpur area, you need to have a DBKL license, and you can start apply a visa. So remember, open company first, make it active, and then apply for visa separately. It's not automatic, remember that. Okay, thank you for watching. The next topic I will try to cover on the visa video and private limited by share, how to register company and how to operate your business in Malaysia. If you do have an inquiry regarding a company setup, Malaysia My Second Home, PVIP, or maybe Labuan or offshore company, do not hesitate to contact us. Thank you.